Friends, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then you need to click on the subscribe button which is in the red color, and then you need to click the bell icon to get the notification about our upcoming videos. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to subscribe a YouTube channel. So friends, you can subscribe a YouTube channel in various ways. At first you can open YouTube application in your mobile phone, or in the desktop you need to open youtube.com, and then you need to type the channel icon, channel name here in the search box, which is located top of the YouTube page. Say suppose I want to subscribe YouTube soup user. Just type the channel name here and then press enter. Then you will get your channel here on the top of the YouTube page, and then you will see here a red colored subscribe button. Just you need to click on the subscribe button, and then you need to click the bell icon. This is optional, you can press the bell icon or not, depending on you. If you press the bell icon, you just get the latest update from that YouTube channel. This is the one way. You can also subscribe to a YouTube channel another way. Suppose you are watching a video that you like most, and then below the video you will see the channel name. This is the here, and then you will see a red colored subscribe button. This is the red color subscribe button. Just click on the subscribe button, and then you are subscribed. The subscribe button becomes gray color, and then you can press the bell icon, or it's optional, you can leave it. Suppose if you like this video, and then you want to subscribe this channel, then simply you will see the red color subscribe button below the video. Just click the subscribe button. See, once you click the subscribe button, you are subscribed to that YouTube channel. So friends, in this way, and you can also switch to the home page of the that channel. Say suppose click on the name, then you will switch to the home page of that channel, and then you need to click the subscribe button. So click on the red color subscribe button, and now you are subscribed. The subscribe button becomes gray colored. So friends, in this way you can subscribe to a YouTube channel. So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.